Okay, so welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download what we call the MT4 trading platform. In the video above this one, I showed you how to register a demo account with our chosen broker, which is HYCM, but also how to use what we call the web version of the platform. Now, if you're really serious about running this and you want to use the best tools possible, you really need what we call the MT4 platform. And I'm going to show you in this video how to download what we call the MT4 platform to your desktop. So whether you're using a computer or maybe a tablet, how to download the MT4 to your desktop, to your computer, but also how to download the MT4 application to your smartphone. Okay, so that you can link your smartphone to your desktop, and if you put trades on your platform on your computer, those same trades will appear on your application. And so when you're out and about, you'll be able to modify those trades, you'll be able to open trades, close trades, monitor them, supervise them, and you've got a business both on your desktop and on your smartphone. So it's absolutely brilliant. This morning when I was out for an hour or two, and in that short period of time, I earned 373 euros from placing a couple of trades on my smartphone. And that's the beauty of having the app on your phone, and of course having the platform downloaded on your computer. So today, with the help of Graham's one of our executive affiliates. He's based just outside of Luton in the UK, and we're going to show you how to go about downloading this MT4 platform. So Graham, if you'll share your screen, please.
Certainly will. Okay, there we are now.
And the first thing Graham's going to do is Graham's received an email there from Globit Trading Academy. Welcome, here's your demo trading account. So if you just click on that link, of course, anybody who's watching this, you will also have received this same email. So if you've actually registered your name, email and phone number with the Globit Academy, and of course, if you've taken out the 7-day trial membership and you've paid your £50, then that means you're now going to receive this same email that we're looking at right now. Okay, and on that email, you'll see there are two clickable links. You've got the link at the top, which is in red, and you've got the link at the bottom, which is in orange. Now, if you're anywhere in the UK or Scandinavia or anywhere in Europe or the Middle East or even in South Africa, then you need to click the red link. If you're in the USA or Hong Kong and a couple of other places, you'll be clicking the orange link. So if you'll click on the red link, Graham.
Certainly.
Because you're in the UK, of course.
Yeah.
That takes us through to this page here. So if you scroll down, that video there, which we're not going to play just at the moment, but that video there explains how to register the account and also how to use the web-based version, and also how to upgrade your account to a live account by uploading your proof of ID, which would be a passport, and also your proof of address, which would be perhaps a bank statement. And that explains exactly how to do that. But below that video, I'm going to position this new video, and this is going to show us how to download the MetaTrader 4 platform onto your desktop. So let's first of all register an account. So if you click where it says Start Trading Now, that's right, click on that there, Start Trading Now. Okay, you might just have to refresh that.
Okay. There we go.
Okay, and first of all, the broker that we actually work with, and we're going to show you how to use this platform, has been established now for over 40 years. And what we call a multi-regulated platform, regulated in many financial jurisdictions. And one of them, of course, is in London, where they're regulated by the FCA, which is the Financial Conduct Authority. Now, of course, if you are going to be serious about trading on the financial markets, the first thing you are going to need is a good, professional, reliable, and honest broker. And these, as I say, are regulated because it's important that your money is safe, and your money is very safe when you upload it to HYCM. And of course, any profits that you make, you need to know that you can withdraw them without any problems. And you can withdraw your profits to your bank account. Typically, I think it's 3 to 5 days if you withdraw it to your bank. But if you're happy to withdraw those profits to your Visa debit card, you'll have your profits uploaded within the same hour. So that's fantastic. Imagine making 1,000 or 2 a week, and just within the next hour, you can have that money uploaded to your debit card, and you can be out spending the benefits of your trading. So it's a brilliant platform, brilliant company. The customer support is brilliant as well, and this is why we highly recommend that you do what we're suggesting. So if you just complete that application, Graham, it's very simple. First name, last name, email, etc.
Next.
Okay. Actually, that's right. You need the 0044 as the prefix in there. I think that's probably what's not happening at the moment. So if you click the drop-down box, Graham.
Yeah, is that what it is? Yeah.
Yeah. Click on that.
Yeah, okay, I'm with you.
Yeah. It should be a drop-down. It shows all the different countries. Just see. Is it working, that drop-down?
No. No, I don't seem to be getting the, let's just try this way. There may be something I'm doing. No.
And what about the email above? I mean, something strange is happening there.
Yeah. Let's just refresh.
Yeah.
Ah, that's better. Just need you to refresh, Malcolm.
Okay.
May just want to have no zero on there. Let's try that.
Okay.
So what it's saying is I'm actually already registered.
Oh, of course, yeah. You can't register again with the same email. So can you choose a different email address?
Yes, certainly, yeah.
Yeah.
There we are.
Okay. Brilliant. Country of residence.
Yeah, United Kingdom.
Okay. Date of birth.
Yeah. It's very, very simple to do. I can find the numbers. There we go.
Okay, and address. Okay, and then we choose the fixed account.
The fixed account.
As you can see, you can actually open a live account with as little as $100. But at the moment, we're only interested in opening a demo account. So click fixed account. Okay, perfect. And then on the next one, it's going to ask you your base currency. So presumably you want pound sterling.
Yep.
Are you a US reportable person? No, of course.
Yep.
Are you a politically exposed person? No. And here you need to put in a chosen password. And of course, write it down. If there's one thing that most people make a mistake with is they don't write down passwords. And then they have a nightmare for the next goodness knows how long trying to relocate their password. So choose a password, write it down, Graham.
Okay.
And then just agree to the terms and conditions. And click next.
That's it.
Okay, brilliant. Now, the video above this one that I just referred you to a few moments ago will show you how to log into your account. So you can see at the top there, Graham is registered with his email address. Of course, at any time, Graham can log into this account and update his profile details. If you just click on profile, Graham.
On the profile?
On the menu, just the line below. Profile
sorry.
along to the left, to the left, to the left. In the center there, sort of. My profile.
Yeah, okay.
That's right. So the video above this one shows how you need to upload personal information. You need to complete the financial profile. That's quite detailed actually, but the video above this one will show you exactly how to complete that financial profile. It'll also show you how to submit your documents, which is your passport and your proof of address. And you also need to identify where you are resident for tax purposes. And that's what you need to do to before you can be approved for having a live account. But of course, you don't need to do any of that if all you want to do for the moment is practice with a demo account. So that is fine. All you need to do now is go to your email, the one that you've registered with, and you'll receive a welcome email.
Yeah. That's my demo account.
That's your demo account. I'm a bit confused actually, Graham, because I don't know how you've got that, because you should have received a welcome email, because as far as I can see, you haven't registered a demo account yet.
Okay.
Can you just go and see if you've received an email?
Let me just go back to that now.
Yeah.
I think it did take some time before.
You should actually receive a welcome email, and at the bottom of that email, it gives you a chance to register a demo account, because officially you haven't registered your demo account yet. You've just registered an account.
Yes.
Actually, what was the email below? What was the email below?
On the, I've got.
Oh, that's from Globit, right? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I can tell you. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. That's the one. If you just yeah,
come in.
Okay. Now, when you just do what Graham's just done, you'll receive an email like this, which is just to welcome you. And this is showing you how to upgrade to a live account. As it says there, complete your financial profile, upload your documents, fund your account. But you can ignore all of that, because what you're looking for at the bottom of that email, you just scroll down a bit further, where it says demo account. You can get, you can also open a demo account. So if you click on that, so that was the email that you're looking for, and you're looking for that little link at the bottom, because we're more interested in opening a demo account than upgrading to a live account just at the moment.
Yeah.
Okay, so all you have to do is click the drop-down box, fixed, and then choose your base currency. Okay, pound sterling, and click submit. And you can copy that member ID number if you wish. That one. So now you've done two things. You've registered an account, but more importantly, you've registered your demo account. Okay, that's how you've registered your demo account. So now you've registered your demo account, you need to go back into your email and you'll be looking for an email to welcome you to your demo account. It's actually, that's really what you're looking for, right? Okay. Right, okay, so at the bottom of there you can see you've got two vital bits of information. You've got the member ID number and you've also got the password. Right, okay. So you've just actually copied that password. You can do it again if you wish. So just copy that password.
Okay.
ID number, I'm sorry. Right, okay. So what we do now is we go to the HYCM main website, which is hycm.co.uk. That's it. And if you click on trading at the top, that's right, and then go to platforms. So at this moment in time, Graham, just to remind me, have you actually downloaded this MetaTrader 4 platform before? Have you linked it to HYCM before, or is this the first time?
The first time.
Perfect. Okay. Yeah. So as you can see there, just click where it says download desktop version.
Okay.
And let that run. You can see in the bottom left-hand corner. Click next.
Okay.
And then finish.
Okay.
Now, there's a page which appears next, this one. Just ignore that. That's effectively an advertising page. So just close that page. Don't let that confuse you. Click the cross at the top.
Yes, sorry, yeah.
Okay. And if we just give it 2 seconds, the MetaTrader 4 platform, as you can see, is going to magically appear. And when it does, that will be your MetaTrader 4 demo account. There we go. So that really, if you follow those steps, if you wind the video back several times if necessary, and follow those steps exactly as Graham's just completed, that will allow you to not just register an account with the broker, but also it will allow you to download the MetaTrader 4 platform. Okay, so right, okay, so now you've actually got 3 choices there, you can see, and all it's asking is which server do you want? Do you want the demo? There's 2 types of demo. They're both identical. You've got the HYCM demo or you've got the HYCM demo EU. It's the same demo account, it's just that they're on different servers. So it makes no difference really. We're not using the HYCM live account just at the moment. So all you need to do is click next.
Okay.
Right. So here you're going to enter your login ID number, which you've already copied. So if you paste that in there.
Okay. Not allowing me to do that now.
Click on existing trade account.
Yeah, that's what it is. Okay.
Okay, now go back to the email and copy the password that you've now got, that they've sent you.
Interesting point. I can't do anything while we're in this. Here we are.
Okay. That's it. Password. Copy.
There we are. Found the way.
Pop that in.
Yeah.
And then click new demo account.
New demo. Yeah.
That's right. And then click next. And you need to put in your name. Email. Actually, I would put the same email address, Graham, that you've just registered with.
I think actually this was the original registration, Malcolm, that I had.
Okay, go on then.
I think it should be right.
All right.
I hope I'm
Yeah.
right.
Phone number. And then just agree. And then next. Okay. And that is Graham's demo account. Now, this gives us a chance just to do a couple of things, which is important. I would suggest, I mean, at this moment in time, you've got the euro against the US dollar, you've got the pound against the US dollar, you've got the US dollar against the Swiss franc, and you've got the US dollar against the Japanese yen. I would suggest closing all of those. So there's a little cross at the top, that's right. That's right. That's it. That's brilliant. And on the left, you've got what we call Market Watch. So if you just do, if you put your mouse into the Market Watch main area, if you just bring it down a little bit and then do a right click, just a little bit, that's right. And then just click where it says Show All. And if you just drag that bar down, that's right, that one. Just, these are all the different instruments that we can trade on this platform. Now, what we recommend all our students to do when they first get started is to only trade what we call the DAX, which is the German indices of the top 30 companies in Germany. And so what we're looking for is what we call the GER 30. That's right. So if you just drag that across, Graham, that's brilliant. And then what you can do, you can that's maximize it. And then if you move your mouse into the Market Watch again, you can do a right, just bring it down a bit, and do a right click, and click where it says Hide All.
That one there.
Yeah. So very nicely, we've eliminated all those other different instruments that we're not really interested in right now, because the worst thing you can do is possibly put a trade on. You think you put it on the DAX, but it turns out you've put it on something completely different. So don't get confused by having all those different instruments there, because we're not going to be using them for the moment. You can actually even close that little section, the Market Watch section. There's a little cross, that's right. And close that. You can do the next one again, Graham. You can, there we go. So you've got now half the screen is dedicated to the chart which shows the German DAX. It's actually what we call a futures contract. This particular futures contract expires in December 2018. And as Graham's showing there, we've got different time periods. We've got 1 minute, we've got 15 minutes, we've got 30 minutes, we've got an hour, we've got a week, we've got a month. And we can also zoom in. If you just zoom in, Graham, just to show exactly how this chart looks when we zoom in. And if we zoom in again, okay. And while we're doing this, we'll just show you how to change the color of those candlesticks. If you do a right click on the screen and go down to properties, and then you can change the candlesticks. The bar up can be, let's say, green. The bar, the bear candle can be white. Okay. Bar up. We can leave that for the time being. We can.
Yeah, these make the adjustments.
You can make all these kind of adjustments to suit you, so you can have whatever bar you prefer, and you can change the colours, etc., and that's no problem. Okay, so if you just click that, just for the time being. Now, I'm going to show you how to put on 2 moving averages. And so if you go to Insert at the top there, and click and go down to, sorry, the top one, Indicators. Top one, then move across down to Trend, and then across, and then click Moving Average, which is the 3rd from the bottom. Okay. We want to put 2 moving averages on, which is the 50. So if you remove the 14 and put 50. And MA method, you want exponential. And you can even make the line a little bit wider. So if you click on that, the 3rd box at the bottom there, not that one, sorry. Just leave that one as it is, Graham. That's right, click on that one. If you might want the bar a little bit thicker, you can choose that one. Maybe that one's a bit too thick, actually, but the one above I would have thought is probably all right. That's right, that one, and then just click OK. Okay, that's what we call the 50 moving average. And when you attend our training classes, which take place every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, you'll understand the importance and the significance of the 50 moving average. We also need another moving average, which is the 200 moving average. So go back to Insert, and that's right, go down to Trend, and down to moving average, and this time we're going to put 200. Okay, and this time I would choose a green one. Okay, and click OK.
Are we okay with that setting there?
That's correct, yeah, exponential.
Okay.
Don't know where that's gone, Graham, unless it's gone somewhere. If you click on a different time period, you might find.
You might find it.
Yeah. You might find it. Yeah, maybe there you go. Now, you might wonder what those lines are, but those lines are extremely significant. And if you apply our methods and our strategies, you'll be able to trade consistently and profitably. But of course, we can't give you any financial guarantees. It'd be nice if we could, but I can tell you that yesterday, I think it was, or was it the day before? 2 days ago, I placed 23 trades using these moving averages as a guide. And of 23 trades, I made a profit with all of them. And I was doing all those trades from the app on my phone. And collectively, those trades made me, I think it was 3,100 euros, just simply by reading the historical data on that chart. And we will show you how to do this. So if you've never done it before, don't worry. Graham's an executive affiliate, and Graham is building a team. And my role and Graham's role is to teach people who are complete beginners how to understand this chart, how to interpret the information, and how to place the right trades that create the associated profit. So that's fantastic. So Graham's chart is now all set up and ready to go. All we need to do now is set up the MT4 app on the smartphone. So if you get your phone, Graham.
Yep, okay.
And if you go, whether it's an iPhone, you go to the, whatever you call it now, the Apple Store. And if it's an Android, you go to the Google Store. So go to the store for the apps and just enter a search for the MT4 app.
MT4.
That's M for Mike, T for Tango.
Yeah, it's come up MetaTrader 4.
MetaTrader 4. If you find that, just click that to download the app.
Okay.
and let me know when it appears.
That's it. I'll have that.
Okay, that's how fast it is. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different icons.
Yes.
Okay, all you have to do is tap the one on the far right there. It's like a little wheel.
Okay.
And when the page appears at the top, it should say new account.
It does, yes. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for choosing MetaTrader.
Okay. And when you tap on new account on the next page, it gives you a number of options, which is start without registration. The other option is open a personal demo account, or the other option is to log into an existing account. So click where it says log into an existing account, and then you can search for HYCM. So what you're going to do is enter HYCM there in that little search box.
Okay, let's see. I seem to have it's not allowing me to do that for some reason. It may be. Okay, I'm not getting that, Malcolm, so for some reason. Accounts. Manage accounts. Demo account. It's giving me a demo account sign.
Okay, is it what kind of phone is it? Is it Android?
It's an Android.
Android, yeah, it's slightly different on there. I did this with Triumphant last night. It amounts to the same thing. You're looking for something that says log into an existing account. Can you make any sort of sense of it?
Right. It just says.
And you'll need to enter somewhere HYCM, because it will then connect to the HYCM.
Found it.
You
It's
found
under
it.
the plus sign. There's a plus sign at the top.
Okay. Oh, brilliant. Yeah. Plus sign at the top. So enter HYCM. It should come up as either HYCM Live or HYCM Demo.
Yeah, I've got HYCM Demo, Demo EU, and Live.
Correct. Okay. So you want HYCM Demo EU. And what you're going to do is you're going to enter or paste the member ID that you've got for your demo account.
Okay.
And you're going to do the same for your password.
Go back to here.
That's right.
So, and I'm just going to put the password in.
Okay. Always a bit tricky when you're just sort of entering them, because if you get anything wrong, it's not going to work. But
yes,
if you can copy and paste that from your email, that'd be even better.
nearly there. Okay, that should sign in. Yes, we're signed in, Malcolm. Yep.
Well, that's something to celebrate.
All good.
That's really, really excellent. So Graham has shown you, with my help, how easy it is to register an account, how easy it is to download the MT4 platform onto the computer, but also how easy it is to download the app on the phone, and how easy it is to connect the two. So now Graham can place trades from either the desktop or from the smartphone. And that really completes the purpose of this short video. Before we finish the video, so that's all now working fine, is it, Graham?
It is, absolutely, yeah. I've got exactly the same on my phone as I have on the desktop.
Okay. If you stop sharing now, we'll just have a couple of seconds.
Okay.
Okay, that's fantastic. So yeah, congratulations on downloading the MT4 platform. You're going to find that a wonderful tool, and for downloading it onto your smartphone there. But just this gives me a chance just to ask you a couple of questions, Graham. If you'll just tell the people who are watching this, perhaps, where you come from, what your background is, and why might you have got started with the Globit Academy.
Basically, my background is property.
You might just need to speak a bit louder, Graham. I don't know if
my background is property. Been involved in renting property for a number of years, developing property. Been looking for something else that will give me the lifestyle that I want to enjoy. Property is very good, but it has lots of ups and downs, and can be problematic and also very difficult to get into. Basically, what Malcolm has an academy, training academy for what seems to be a very, very good opportunity to make vast amounts of money. Certainly £500 a day is very achievable, and with the training that Malcolm are going to offer, everybody can succeed with this. So it's a very, very good opportunity.
And I think it's you're looking for the income, of course, but also above all, I think you mentioned to me you're looking for time freedom.
Well, absolutely. Yeah, the freedom to work half a day. I mean, you can do this in a few hours. You can make good money in a few hours, and it's an opportunity everybody should go for. Yeah,
great. Well, I know Graham's been he's quite modest, but he's been very successful with his property rental business. He's got quite a number of residential properties that he rents out. He's also got commercial property, but of course, fantastic having a property portfolio, but it all wants maintaining, it all wants managing, and he's even got a hotel, believe it or not, and that wants managing as well. So what attracted Graham to this business is he can make a similar income, if not better, and all without any fixed overheads, all without any premises, all without any staff. And for today's market, it would appear to be the perfect business. So thank you for watching the video. Welcome to Graham Orchard in Luton, and look forward to seeing everybody on our future meetings. And thanks again, and best of luck.